Welcome to this video dedicated to setting up a therapy series. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through the process of configuring a therapy series to suit your needs easily and with just a few clicks. The data, patients, and doctors presented in this video are entirely fictional. They are used only to illustrate the features of HIP. In the Settings menu, you can define your own therapy series in your practice's basic data if you have the required permissions. In the Therapy Series tab, you can specify the number of sessions planned in the series. Enter the total number of sessions using the arrows or by typing the number directly into the field. If you want to use a therapy series based on the medical history, select the corresponding option and choose the questionnaires to be used for the first session as well as for the following ones. For example, the First Session Physiotherapy questionnaire. To facilitate billing, you can define Metatariff for the sessions. HIP distinguishes between the first session, the following sessions, and those missed without a valid excuse. You can learn how to set up Metatariff in another video. Simply save your input. Your therapy series is now ready. To find out more about how to use it, see video number 4, which shows you how to create and set up a therapy series. For more details, you can also visit our online help. The link is available in the description. We hope this tutorial helps you make the most of the therapy series features in HIP. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.